the first topic that we wanted to discuss was si Nunag. Like man, like um she set the ball like like she's been with the team for the last 5 years. And alam mo yun, she knew exactly where Amy Provido was. She knew exactly where Shavana Lapot was. And of course, she also knew exactly where Angel Canino was. What do you guys feel about Nunag's performance and what she will bring to the team? And is she the missing factor that could lead us to the crown this season?
To be honest, yan yung hinahanap natin for how many seasons now eh. Stable setter. Kasi parang we all know na yan ang, well, apart from good attacking quality, no? Parang yan yung aasahan mo rin talaga eh.